In the vastness of space, where stars are born and die, galaxies collide and form, a discovery was made that could change everything we know about water, life, and the cosmos itself. Imagine a giant reservoir of water, one so large, it holds 140 trillion times the water found in all of Earth's oceans. And it's floating out there in space, 12 billion light-years away from us. In 2011, astronomers made an extraordinary find, one that made them reconsider everything about the early universe. A cloud of water vapor, more massive than anything we could have imagined, was discovered surrounding a distant quasar, APM 08279 plus 5255. This giant cloud made of water vapor contains an unfathomable amount of water, 140 trillion times the volume of all the water in Earth's oceans. That's a number so large it's almost impossible to wrap our heads around. But before we dive deeper into this discovery, let's first understand what a quasar is. Quasars are extremely bright and energetic centers of distant galaxies, powered by supermassive black holes. As matter gets pulled into these black holes, it heats up to incredibly high temperatures, emitting huge amounts of radiation, sometimes outshining the rest of the galaxy combined. At the heart of APM 08279 plus 5255 lies one of these supermassive black holes, which is surrounded by a thick cloud of gas, dust, and other material. This is where we find the massive water vapor cloud. The water vapor cloud surrounding APM 08279 plus 5255 is mind-boggling in size. To put it into perspective, this cloud holds more water than Earth's oceans by an astounding 140 trillion times. The cloud itself is composed mostly of cold, dense water vapor, something we don't usually associate with space. Water vapor typically forms in the cooler parts of a star system or around a planet, but here, it's in the middle of a quasar's active environment where temperatures soar and radiation levels are off the charts. So how did scientists discover this gigantic water cloud? The answer lies in a technique called spectroscopy, which allows astronomers to analyze light emitted from distant objects. When they studied the quasar's light, they noticed something unusual. The light was passing through a dense cloud of water vapor. As the light from the quasar passed through this cloud, certain wavelengths of light were absorbed, leaving distinct fingerprints of water vapor in the spectrum. This is how astronomers were able to detect the presence of water, even from billions of light-years away. So why is this discovery so significant? Well, for one, it challenges our understanding of the early universe. This water cloud is located 12 billion light-years away, meaning it formed just 5 billion years after the Big Bang. That's incredibly early in the universe's history. It's surprising to find such a massive amount of water so early on at a time when galaxies were still in the process of forming. This discovery suggests that water could have been more common in the early universe than previously thought, and could have played a role in the development of early galaxies and stars. Water is, of course, essential for life as we know it. The discovery of such a vast water cloud in the distant universe opens up fascinating possibilities about the potential for life beyond Earth. Could there be other planets or moons far from Earth that have the right conditions to support life? The presence of water in the early universe suggests that life may not be as rare as we once believed, and that perhaps, the building blocks of life exist in more places than we can imagine. This discovery also reshapes how we think about the formation of galaxies and stars. Water, in the form of vapor, could have played a role in cooling and condensing gases that eventually formed stars and planets. It may have even helped to shape the conditions for life to emerge on our own planet. What's more, this water cloud tells us that the early universe was a more complex place than we once thought. Water wasn't just present on Earth. It was out there in the depths of space, influencing the formation of galaxies and potentially playing a key role in the development of the cosmos. As we continue exploring the universe, discoveries like this will help guide future missions. The search for water on other planets and moons like Mars or Europa will be crucial in our search for life beyond Earth. The discovery of such vast amounts of water in space shows us that there is so much more to learn about the universe and that water could be more common than we ever realized. It's a reminder that, while Earth may be unique in many ways, we are far from being alone in the universe. From distant quasars to the depths of our own solar system, water plays a vital role in the ongoing story of the cosmos. The discovery of 140 trillion times the water of Earth's oceans in space reminds us of how much there is yet to learn about the universe. As we continue to explore, one thing is certain: the universe is full of mysteries, and each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the true scale of space and the possibilities for life beyond Earth. Who knows what else we will find out there? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing discoveries from the cosmos.